In this video, we're going to create this fully interactive hangman game in Genially. First, we'll build a classic stick figure version, and then we'll upgrade it using animated Ft.Betakuma GIFs to make it more dynamic and engaging. Let's get started. Everything you see here comes from Genially's free asset library. You can reuse these elements however you like. For this first level, we'll start by dragging the background onto page number 2. To make sure the background perfectly fits the canvas, press Ctrl+M to open designer mode. Set the canvas width to 1200 and then click Align to Center so everything fits perfectly. Now, let's drag the interactive hangman widget onto the canvas and align it in the center. When you click on the widget, you'll see two options: Edit and Animation. Click on Edit and a configuration panel will open on the right. Here we can set the word to guess. We'll use Learn. The maximum number of mistakes. We'll choose 6. The orientation style. You can also customize the mistake counter label, the font type, and the letter style. I'll keep a black background with white letters to create strong contrast. Now, let's build the gallows using basic geometric shapes. We'll also create the classic stick figure: head, body, arms, and legs, which will appear progressively with each mistake. Next, we need to connect each mistake to a body part. Click on the widget, go to Edit, and look for Action for specific mistake. For mistake number 1, click Add Action. Choose Reveal Item. Select the head. For mistake number 2, Add Action. Reveal Item. Select the body. Save. Repeat the same process for the arms and legs. Now, the character will appear gradually as the player makes mistakes. Let's create a victory and defeat screen. Go to Pages arrow, Add Page, copy the background, and add a congratulatory message. For the defeat screen, create another new page, paste the background again, and add a defeat message. Then go back to the widget settings. Find the option When Player Loses, click Add Action, choose Go to Page, and select your defeat page. To make the game more challenging, we can add a timer. Go to Widgets to Timer, choose a design, and place it on the canvas. Finally, let's create a start screen. Duplicate the background, add 2 typography levels, one for the title, Hangman Game, and one for the button, Start. Add interactivity to the start text. Go to Page arrow, Next Page. And that's it. We now have a fully functional classic hangman game. Now, let's make this more engaging. Duplicate level 1 and change the word. This time, we'll use Japan, since Betakuma is from Japan. Delete the stick figure and instead go to Resources arrow, GIFs and Images, search for Betakuma, and activate the transparent GIF filter. You'll find tons of high-quality animated GIFs performing different actions, perfect for interactive presentations. I selected 6 animations to represent each mistake level. Place the first GIF on the gallows. Now go back to the widget settings. For mistake number 1, hide the first animation, reveal the second one. For mistake number 2, hide animation 2, reveal animation 3. Repeat the same logic for all 6 animations. This creates a progressive animated reaction system instead of a static stick figure. Preview the game to test everything. Finally, duplicate and adapt the defeat screen for this level as well. And that's it. You now have 2 versions of an interactive hangman game, a classic version and a fully animated version using Betakuma GIFs. You can adapt this idea for vocabulary practice, review activities, or any classroom challenge. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more Genially tutorials and interactive classroom ideas. See you in the next video!